Have you ever stopped to think about what happens to the leftover food on your plate when you go out to eat? Or what about all the carrot tops, potato peels, and other scraps from making those meals? Unfortunately, if it doesn't go to Fido, it most likely goes here, to the landfill. Here in Santa Barbara, the leftover food from many restaurants and grocery stores does not go in the trash. Instead, it embarks on a remarkable journey. The city's Foodscraps program started in 2007 to save dwindling space at the Tahiguas landfill and reduce the environmental impacts of burying materials we can recycle.
There are a lot of great reasons that we have the Foodscraps program, but I think the three most important are that businesses find the program easy to participate in and that they save money. And that's probably why we have 150 businesses in the program now. The second reason is that it's wonderful for the environment. We can make it a really high quality compost up in Santa Maria that we actually see back on our city parks here and in our school gardens. And the third reason, it teaches kids in our schools to be stewards of the environment, and they're just wonderful participants in the program as well.
After Marburg picks up the contents of the yellow bins, they are consolidated at the county transfer station and are then trucked up to Engel & Gray's compost facility in Santa Maria. Once at Engel & Gray, the remarkable transformation into fertile compost begins.
Initially when they come in, they're weighed in the trucks, and then we calculate the volume, and we combine it with green waste, which is another product, another feedstock that comes in. And at an appropriate time, we put them in a windrow, as you see back here, and we start the composting process.
The piles then begin to heat up due to the decomposition until they reach a high enough temperature to break down the organic material and kill harmful bacteria and viruses known as pathogens. It is then screened, tested, and prepared for final delivery.
And I brought some of the dirt, and this stuff's just amazing, high-quality stuff. And this is actually compost from Engel & Gray's facility in Santa Maria. This was somebody's leftovers, probably some chicken bones and maybe an orange peel. And now it's just black gold, and we think that's just a great thing to put back on our city parks and use in our schools.
Local Santa Barbara businesses like Brophy Brothers Restaurant and schools like Peabody Charter School also participate in the Foodscraps program.
As a result, we used to, on a weekend, a typical weekend in Santa Barbara, we'd have 3 full-size dumpsters of trash. We're down to 1, which is pretty remarkable. So the landfills obviously, are better off, but also we don't have that cost.
And landfills are filling up. I think the number is way over 25 years now that there hasn't been a landfill permitted in California. And what we're doing is reducing that impact on the landfill. So everything we take here in these organic feedstocks, we keep out of the landfill.
By preserving dwindling landfill space, reducing pollution, and providing valuable organic fertilizer, food scrap composting benefits everyone. And the best part? Business is growing.